how to find auto search settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto search settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. First, open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and after that click this settings icon in the top corner, and now click general, and here we'll find auto search, and that's it. Here you can manage copied numbers and messaging apps, or anything you want. Just manage it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.